gentlemen, welcome to Counseling 12, where dreams come true. That's right, I'm your host, the host with the most, John Licitra, professor and counselor, broadcasting live from South County. So stay tuned and we'll be right back after these commercial messages. Well, welcome back to Counseling 12, where dreams come true. That's right. Anyway, we're going to be going over Counseling 12. We're going to be going over the syllabus and the modules. When you're going to find that really exciting.